On Miele's S7 Twist, suction power and many convenient functions are selected on the handle. The key benefit of the Miele S7 Twist is the unique swivel neck allowing steering in all directions. Turning the power brush on, for example, when moving from hard flooring to carpeting is never more than a click away. On carpeting, the electro brush ensures deep cleaning by easing out dirt from the depths of carpet pile. Intelligently positioned suction channels ensure excellent cleaning along baseboards. Inconveniently placed accessories? Not on Miele's S7 Twist, as all accessories are close at hand. One click and the flexible suction hose is ready for use. The Twist is equipped with an onboard upholstery tool, crevice tool, and swiveling dusting brush to clean any surface with ease. The extra long crevice tool leaves no hiding places for even the smallest of crumbs. And as suction power can still be regulated when working with accessories, delicate surfaces can be gently cleaned. For every edge, every curve, and every corner, use the ultra-maneuverable S7 Twist from Miele.